This 2014 DRV Mobile Suites 38 REPS3 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Bradenton, Florida, 34208 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Bradenton. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used DRV is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 100 gal freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.